Good morning, everybody. Meandering Newfoundlander here. Actually, it's afternoon. Sorry. Good afternoon. I guess really it depends on when you're watching this. Anyway, today I'm going iceberg hunting. I seen a photo on Facebook this morning that there is an iceberg out in Cupids. So I'm going to ride to Cupids. It's a beautiful day. Why not? And see if the iceberg is still there and get some drone clips of it. That's my plan right now. So hopefully it's a success. If not, worst case scenario, I had a good hour's ride out and a good hour's ride back. So stick around, enjoy the ride, and hopefully we'll see some ice. Well, we made it to Cupids. It's 10 degrees. The wind is not too bad. And if you look off in the distance, there's an iceberg. Now, I have no idea the best way to get at that to film it though. Because the road ends right there to my left. I don't know if I can get at it from over this way or not. My drone should be able to reach it as long as it's not too windy. Few people here to take pictures of it and have a glimpse of it. Yeah, I think my drone will make it. It can go at least a couple kilometers. So I got time to get out to it, get some clips and bring it back. I wonder, is that wharf closed? Because that looks like the perfect spot to go park and launch my drone. There's people there though, I think. Don't really want to go out there if there's people there. But yeah, I'm going to stop here. This looks like a good spot. Lots of people around. Now, one of the things I want you to remember when I launch this drone is the history of this place, because Cupids is actually the oldest settlement in North America, the oldest English settlement. It was first, I think it was 1610, I believe it was, that John Gee settled here with a few other folks. And it wasn't until 1613 that the first English child was born in this area. It's also the first place to have a sawmill in North America. So a little few things to think about as I'm flying my drone around here in a second. So anyway, I'm going to fly my drone. Well, time to go home. That was a successful trip. Everything worked out today. The weather was decent. This is the first time I've ever been to Cupids and it wasn't blowing a gale. Because usually I can't fly by drone here at all because it's so windy. But today it was perfect. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed those drone clips of the iceberg here in Cupids. It doesn't look like it's moving too far because it was there yesterday as well. But maybe if it sticks around a bit longer, you can get a chance to get out and check it out yourself. But I think this is just the beginning of iceberg season now. So there should be plenty more coming around soon. Well, anyway, thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate the company on the ride. And hopefully you subscribe and if you enjoy this type of content. And I'll see you on the next ride. Take care of yourselves.